here, man. Hey, excuse me.
Yes.
Can you show me where Lancaster is? I don't have my map.
What? You don't know where Lancaster is?
No, I don't.
You don't know where Lancaster is?
No,
Do you know why you don't know where Lancaster is?
I don't have a
Because
teenager.
you're a teenager. You are a bloody teenager who spends all his time not looking into his school books in geography. No. You don't know what the capital of Washington is. On my head. You don't know what the capital of Pennsylvania is. And you certainly don't know where Lancaster is.
No.
Do you know why? Because you're all concentrated on what you do in your time. Teenagers all talking about girls, football games, hockey games, but never school. You don't spend time in school. School. What was your question?
Where's Lancaster?
Where's Lancaster? I'm not gonna tell you.
Why?
Because you've made me a grumpy old man. Goodbye.
I'll take that as a no.
I don't have a return.
I'll take that as a no again.